everybody, I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe for blood orange English ale shandies. Now it's Super Bowl, we're tailgating, and what better time to have some kind of beer cocktail, right? So I'm using a really cool beer today. This is from Great Lakes Brewery. I've done a review on this, make sure you check out my review, and it's called Pompous Ass English Ale. It is supposed to be a pale ale, but it's kind of caramely. It's like more of an amber to me. And it has a great caramely flavor. It has a beautiful beer hop sort of overtone, and then a nice aftertaste of something like citrusy, tangy, citrusy, and a little bit flowery. It's really, really complex and delicious. So I think it would be perfect for these beautiful shandies. I zested a blood orange for another recipe. It was a blood orange guacamole, and I have some zest left. So I'm going to put that in the bottom of each one of my glasses. That's going to add a lot of extra flavor. Next, I have, I don't know, maybe a quarter of a blood orange each, and I'm going to squeeze that into the bottom of the glass so you have some really fresh blood orange juice. I also have a really great blood orange Italian soda. This one is from Sensations. You can get it at Sobeys, and it is very flavorful. It tastes very blood orangey, and I'm actually going to start my glasses with that and then top up with the beer. Now with shandies, you can go anywhere up to half full. 1 part soda, 1 part beer, and that's what I'll do for Mums because she doesn't like hers very strong. I'll probably do maybe about 1/3 of mine. It's a very classic and retro sort of beverage. Canadians drink it, Americans drink it, New Zealanders, Australians, Brits. Top that up with your beer. Blood oranges are in season. It's nearing the end of winter, starting beginning of spring. You always have them around Easter, so I was surprised to see them now at Super Bowl, but I'm happy I did. So there you go, garnished with a beautiful slice of blood orange. What could be more beautiful than that? There you go. That's how you make a gorgeous blood orange English ale shandy. You're gonna love these. Happy Super Bowl, everyone. Let's try ours. Delicious. It's been a long time since I've had a shandy. I really like them. They are great for the summer. This would be great for Cinco de Mayo or something like that as well. Mardi Gras. Or any barbecuing occasion during the summer. Women especially love shandies because they're a little bit less alcoholic than the beer. And they have a nice fruity flavor as well. And I always love beverages with a little snack at the end. That beer is fantastic. And it lends a beautiful flavor with that blood orange. Absolutely awesome. And I love the little bits of zest in the shandy as well. Tasty. That's nice. So for more information on Great Lakes Brewery, Pompous Ass English Ale, and all of their whole varieties of beers, check them out online at greatlakesbeer.com. You're gonna love this. That's how you make blood orange English Ale shandies. They're awesome. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. Check out my instagram.com/webchef of all trades. You can find my shows on youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Interact with us and subscribe and let us know what's going on in your culinary world. All right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously.